Hey guys! I hope all of you are doing great. Recently, I've been looking for creative ways of decorating indoors with plants. I know a lot of you use money plant, even I do, you can see behind. But I also wanted to explore other kind of plants that we can use to decorate indoors creatively. And this is when I came across air plants. So I've ordered a couple of air plants. First, I'll show you what is an air plant, and then I'm going to share some unique ways that I came up with to decorate indoors. So this is a Spanish moss. It is also an air plant. This is another one. Oh look, it is also flowering. And there's another one. Now if you're wondering that how do these plants survive, this is their best part. If you look at this white portion, these are actually hair. They're called trichomes. So these plants have the ability of absorbing nutrients and water from the air. So they do not need to be kept in soil or water. So for this unique wall hanging, we're going to first paint these empty eggs. Here I've made a wide hole at the top and another tiny one at the narrower part of the egg. Now we need to stain these eggs with acrylic colors. I wanted to keep them in shades of orange and brown. You can choose whatever color you like. To make the stain stay longer, here is a trick. Add some vinegar and don't hesitate to dirty your hands. I was actually not satisfied with the color. I wanted it a little darker. So I just painted them directly with the brush as well. Now likewise, we repeat these steps for all the eggs. And let them dry for about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, we need to tie this thread around a piece of small craft wire. This is a very important step. It will ensure that the eggs are properly hung. And to secure it well, I made a double knot around the wire. Now we pinch the two ends together. I'll tell you later why this is important. Now we pass this through the tiny hole and try to pull it from the other side. Once you have pulled it from the other side, remember we had pinched the two sides of the wire together. Now we can straighten it again. So we repeat this for all the eggs. For the second step, we take a dowel, or you can take a branch instead, and we hang the eggs. Now we can add the air plants. Just remember that the wider hole that we had made initially, remember on the eggs, it should be just big enough to hold the plant and not let it fall. Alright, the second idea is more of a recycle from the first idea. Instead of hanging the eggs, I made them stand on these tripods. If you haven't guessed these tripods what they are, these are actually what we get with the pizza. Remember? They hold the pizza pieces together. So just before placing the eggs, remember to add a little weight first. I added these pebbles for making them heavier, otherwise these eggs will start flying away. Moving on to this Pinterest inspired DIY. For making this pyramid, take 6 sticks vaguely of similar size and stick them together edge to edge. For sticking, I used silicone glue because it sticks quickly and does the job. You can choose whatever kind of strong glue that is available for you. Once the pyramid has dried, we just hang it using a plastic string. and voila! This fourth toilet paper idea is what I'm really proud of. I just decorated the TP rolls a little with golden tape. And here you have a great decor for your washroom. Finally, the easiest one. Take a tall glass, fill it half with pebbles. You can choose any kind of a glass. I chose this shape because I like the narrower neck and the bigger opening. And gently we just place the air plant in it. I hope you liked all these 5 ideas. Do give them a try. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.